Hi, so spring has arrived, it has sprung, the kids are playing in the garden, and it's time for me to do another video because I've not done one for ages. I've been quite busy, and this video is about EV. And I really enjoy installing EV, and this is part of the blog that you'll see or you'll read. I'll link it in somehow. But this is about EV installs, and why I think that you should choose your local electrician or any other local electrician for your EV over a third-party installer. Now, the third-party installer, if I'm quite honest, will probably be cheaper. And that's because they buy these EV points in bulk, all their materials in bulk. I just can't do that as a business, as a local small business. But you get what you pay for. And with me, for example, I will be the person that does the work. I'll come up to your door. We'll chat through what you want, what you'd like, how I'm going to run the cable route. And all of those things, and it will be me that then comes and does the work. Whereas with other third-party installers, they'll turn up and they might have 3 of these jobs in one day, and then they've got to get them done as quickly as possible. And so it's bish bash bosh, out they go. It will work, maybe, probably it will work. I'm sure it will. But if there's a problem afterwards, who do you call? You've got to call through the contact line, all of this stuff. But with me, obviously with me, I'm right on the end of the phone, and I'll be straight down to look at any issues and sort them out. I don't think you'll have any. I've not had anyone call me back so far, but that's the difference between a third-party installer and myself. More about the EV units though. The two I like to install, and I'm a installer of these and been on the courses and stuff, is the Easy. It's easy to install. It's easy to use. It's got an app. One of the great things about this is it has built-in data or Wi-Fi, so it connects to the internet all by itself. So it doesn't need the Ethernet connection or the hard wiring connection from the internet. It's a really good unit. It's got its own load management as well, so it detects what's being used within your property and might slow down or speed up the charging based on what's going on. And the other one is the Hypervolt. I mean, I like the lightning bolt. I mean, who can argue with the lightning bolt? It glows up nicely. It's got a nice little rim. It's very pretty. You can get it in 3 different colours. You can get Easy in different colours as well. They all come in different colours. The main difference between the two, this one doesn't have. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi and all of those things. They're still smart and everything else. They've both got pen fault protection, which means you don't need an earth rod. But the Hypervolt comes with a cable, whereas the Easy doesn't. And because of that, I would say they're about the same price. But it all depends on what you want. I mean, I can install others if you need others installed, but those are the 2 that I like to. They're my go-to. I like them. But if you have any sort of questions about the kind of EV that you want, you can just call me. This is EV Charge Point, obviously, and we can discuss it. But like I say, I am the electrician that comes to your door, provides you with the quote, and does the work. Whereas with third-party installers, you'll never really know what you'll get. And to be honest, I've seen some shockers. But with me, you will get a personalised service and a very good finished product. And that's one of the things I like about it, is any work that I do is on show for all to see. There's no getting it wrong. It's all there to see. So yeah. If you need any EVs installed, you know who to contact. You can contact your local electrician. That's me, Rich, Speller Sparks, based in Chilcompton. Thanks for watching.